Why gold is considered a safe haven investment. Gold is often called a safe haven investment, but why? Gold has a unique ability to hold its value over time, especially during economic downturns. When markets are uncertain or currencies lose value, investors often flock to gold for stability. Unlike paper assets, gold is tangible. It's something you can actually hold, and its value doesn't disappear overnight. A gold IRA lets you add this stability to your retirement, offering a level of security that traditional investments can't always provide. Interested in making your retirement more resilient? Learn more about gold IRAs at the link below the video or goldforthefuture.com. Get your free gold guide now from one of our top recommended companies, Birch Gold Group, by clicking the link below the video or by going to goldforthefuture.com now. Why Birch Gold? With a long history and a top reputation in the industry of helping people diversify into precious metals, Birch Gold Group is one of our top picks, offering a low $10,000 minimum investment, secure storage, and excellent customer service. Get more information right away and get started on your precious metals investment journey.